Have you eaten yet? You haven't? Let's get cooking.
Today we are cooking aubergine rice with pork. My favorite Korean chef, Chef Beck, has introduced this menu early this year, and it has been such a surprise. First time I cooked it, I thought I was such a good cook, and I ate the whole 2 portions on my own in one go. But actually, it's a really good recipe, so be careful not to overeat. For the aubergine rice ingredients, we need rice, water, aubergine, pork, soy sauce, and spring onion. This dish can easily be a vegetarian dish by replacing the pork with more aubergine. The rice on its own is delicious, but the sauce will just elevate it more. Spring onion, red chili, garlic, soy sauce, brown sugar, red chili powder, and of course with the rice, when we mix it, we need sesame oil. We start by washing the rice. I have Korean sticky rice. The first wash should be quick and drained right away so the starch, the dust, or bad smell covering the rice can be rinsed out quickly. From the second wash, put your finger in and stir it 15 to 20 times and drain it. Repeat this 2 to 3 times and you'll see a much clearer water. After that, leave it to the side to rest for 15 minutes. Slice the aubergine in half lengthwise and cut it in any shape. Cut the spring onion finely. Let's get your large pan ready. Add some oil into it and heat it up to high heat. Stir fry the spring onion until the oil is infused. Add the pork and start browning it. Once it's all brown, we add the soy sauce. If you are having a vegetarian option, you should add the soy sauce in after the oil is infused from the spring onion. To give that smoky flavor, it will get smoky in the house, so make sure your extractor is on. Add the aubergine and mix everything together. Most of the sauce will be absorbed by the aubergines that touch the pan first, but as you mix it, it will all get coated. So keep going. Drain the water from the rice. You can save this water to use for cooking. Pour the soaked rice into a pot where you'll be cooking the rice or even a rice cooker. Add the amount of water needed. Evenly spread the rice with your hands. On top of the rice, place the aubergine mix. Heat the pot on high heat until the rice starts boiling. Once it has started to boil, cover the pot with the lid. Reduce the heat to low and cook for a further 15 minutes. No peeking. While the rice is cooking, let's make the sauce. Finely chop the spring onion and red chili peppers. Add it in a little jar and mix all the ingredients together and give it a good shake. Or use a spoon and mix it up. Let's check on the rice now. Ta-da! That looks good. Let's give it a good mix. While you mix it, you might find some of these scorched rice. These are called nutritious, and these are the best bits. I got myself a runny fried egg and sprinkled some roasted sesame seed, and I'm ready to eat. 짜잔! My kajibap, aubergine rice with pork. Drizzle the sauce as much as you want and start mixing. Doing this with one hand is simply impossible. So enjoy, and I'll see you next time. 안녕!